Common injuries in Denver limousine accidents. In the bustling city of Denver, where both residents and tourists often rely on limousines for luxurious transportation, accidents involving these elongated vehicles can lead to a variety of injuries. The anatomy of a limousine accident. Limousine accidents are complex events that can result from a combination of factors, including driver behavior, road conditions, and other motorists' actions. When a limousine is involved in an accident, its extended length and unique structure can contribute to the dynamics of the collision. In a typical limousine accident, the force of impact can cause rapid deceleration and sudden changes in motion. Understanding the mechanics of a limousine accident is crucial in comprehending the diverse range of injuries that can occur. If you sustained injuries in a limo crash, our experienced limousine accident lawyer in Denver can help you get fair compensation for your injuries and damages. Whiplash, the silent menace. Whiplash occurs when the head and neck experience a sudden and forceful back-and-forth movement, akin to the cracking of a whip. Victims of whiplash may initially downplay their symptoms, as they might not appear immediately after the accident. It's not uncommon for individuals to feel relatively fine in the hours following the collision, only to wake up the next day with neck stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. This delayed onset of symptoms can be perplexing, as individuals might not immediately connect their discomfort to the accident. Traumatic brain injuries, TBI. In more serious limousine accidents, traumatic brain injuries, TBI, can occur, posing a significant threat to victims' overall well-being. During a limousine accident, the head may collide with the vehicle's interior surfaces or objects within the car. Common symptoms of a TBI include confusion, memory problems, headaches, dizziness, mood swings, and sensitivity to light or noise. Severe TBIs can result in more profound cognitive deficits and even changes in personality. Spinal cord injuries. Limousine accidents can also lead to spinal cord injuries, which can have devastating and lasting effects on a person's quality of life. Injuries to the spinal cord can disrupt this communication, leading to paralysis or reduced functionality in certain body parts. The force generated during a limousine accident can cause the spine to compress or fracture, potentially damaging the delicate nerves within the spinal cord. The severity of the spinal cord injury depends on the location and extent of the damage. Recovery from a spinal cord injury is often a long and challenging process that involves medical interventions, rehabilitation, and lifestyle adjustments. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, and psychological support are essential components of the recovery journey. Fractures and broken bones. The force of impact during a limousine accident can lead to fractures and broken bones, affecting various parts of the body. From the limbs to the ribs, bones can bear the brunt of the collision, causing significant pain and impairing mobility. Fractures resulting from limousine accidents can be complex and require careful evaluation by medical professionals. Recovery from fractures can be a lengthy process, often involving immobilization of the affected area and rehabilitation exercises to restore strength and mobility. Physical therapy and follow-up appointments are crucial to monitor the healing progress and address any complications that may arise. Soft tissue injuries. Soft tissue injuries, while less visible than fractures, can still cause significant pain and discomfort in the aftermath of a limousine accident. Soft tissues include muscles, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, all of which can be impacted by the force generated during a collision. Common soft tissue injuries resulting from limousine accidents include muscle strains, ligament sprains, and contusions. The sudden impact and jolts experienced during the accident can cause these tissues to stretch, tear, or become inflamed. In some cases, soft tissue injuries can become chronic, requiring ongoing medical care and lifestyle adjustments to manage symptoms effectively. Internal injuries. In the chaotic aftermath of a limousine accident, internal injuries can go unnoticed but pose significant risks to victims. These injuries involve damage to internal organs, such as the liver, spleen, kidneys, or intestines. Internal injuries can be life-threatening, and their symptoms may not be immediately apparent. Psychological trauma. The sudden and traumatic nature of these accidents can trigger emotional distress, leading to conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, anxiety, or depression. Psychological trauma can manifest in various ways, including recurring nightmares, flashbacks, avoidance behaviors, and heightened anxiety. Legal implications and liability. Understanding the legal aspects of limousine accidents is essential for victims seeking justice and compensation for their injuries. Victims of limousine accidents have the right to pursue legal action if the accident resulted from negligence or wrongdoing. Legal recourse can help cover medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Preventing limousine accidents. Prevention is always the most effective approach when it comes to limousine accidents. Additionally, implementing safety features in limousines, such as airbags, advanced braking systems, and stability control, can reduce the risk of accidents and minimize the severity of injuries in the event of a collision. Seeking compensation. In the aftermath of a limousine accident, victims often face mounting medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and the emotional toll of their injuries. Consulting with a personal injury attorney experienced in handling limousine accident cases is crucial. An attorney can assess the circumstances of the accident, gather evidence, and negotiate with insurance companies or litigate in court to secure the compensation victims deserve. Recovering from the injuries sustained in a limousine accident is a challenging journey that requires physical, emotional, and psychological support. Medical professionals, including physicians, physical therapists, and mental health counselors, are essential partners in the recovery process. Understanding these potential injuries, as well as the legal aspects of accidents, is essential for both prevention and recovery. Safety measures and seeking proper legal representation can help victims navigate the challenges and complexities that follow a limousine accident.